This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. If you're trying to install the latest version of Page Builder CK and you're getting an error, this might be the fix. Okay, so here we are. I've just tried to install the latest Page Builder CK and I've got this error here, duplicate column name modified. Here's the fix that I got from SED. Go to cPanel, go to PHP myadmin, and then go to the database that is running your site. Now up here in search for this com_page builder CK. Now I know there's a more direct way to go to this, but this is a really good general way for different configurations of PHP myadmin. All right, we're going to click go and search, and when it finds the results, it's going to put browse next to anywhere that is found. We're not looking for the assets table, we're looking for the extensions table. Now click browse, you'll be taken to the bottom of your page, and you need to take note of the extension ID that is com Page Builder CK, right? So 11656. Let's just copy that. All right, now we'll escape out of there. Next, click back up to the database, and now we're going to look for the schema table. We're going to go here in this search filter area, and we're going to type SCHEMA. Now, here it's showing up. If it doesn't show up, schemas, notice up here the page number is just showing the first page. If you've got a lot of tables, this filter only works on each page that you're viewing. So if schemas doesn't show up, go to the next page, filter again until you find it. But it's showing up here. Now we're going to go to browse. Now remember, there's a number we had to remember, and it was 11656. I even have it here just to double check. Yes, 11656. Now we can double click here where it says 2.4.0 in this case, change it to something else. And what SED recommended was 2.16.0, just to make a change. You're going to hit enter, and that save will be taken. Now we can go back to the site, we can browse, we can find the latest version of Page Builder CK and try to install it. And as they say in Quebec, le voila! That worked really well. And it properly installed, so I hope that's the fix that you're looking for. Subscribe for more videos. Until next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.